First go to the file and choose open. Select this background image, click open. Then go to the file and choose place embedded. Select this Samosa PNG image, hit place. Press enter. Press Ctrl J to create the duplicate of the layer, hide the top layer, select the main layer. Now take the elliptical marquee tool and select the samosa like this. Hold the Alt button and click on the add layer mask option below. Then go to the file and choose place embedded. Select the curry PNG image, hit place. Hold the Alt button and increase the image size like this. Press enter. Now take the lasso tool and select the curry like this. Click on the add layer mask option below. Press Ctrl T for the transform option. Adjust the curry like this. Press enter. Now open layer style and choose inner shadow. Here follow the settings in this manner. Press OK. Expose the top layer. Right click on this layer and choose rasterize layer. Go to the image, adjustments and choose desaturate. Go to blend modes and choose screen. Open image, adjustments and choose levels. Here modify these input shadow and highlight levels like this. Click OK. Let's see the final result.